So in this session, we are going to embed or insert Fontosum or font icons to our website. If I Control T to open a new tab and then search for Fontosum, the latest framework on font icons for frontend, I'm going to go to fontosum.com, and then here you can go to the tab How to Use. Okay, if you want you can download it and link, but you can go to the tag How to Use, and here you can copy this CDN. CDN means Content Delivery Network. That means the Fontosum data is in the internet. It is in the network. We are referring it to the network. We are not downloading it. That is what we call a CDN, Content Delivery Network. So I copied it and refreshed. If I go click on this link, I am forwarded into this website where I have all this content. Okay, this is Fontosum. I have my Fontosum linked really well. Now if I go to icons in the Fontosum website, which is fontosum.com/icons, I will get all the 3332 icons they have at the moment, and I'm going to search for an icon like the desktop. You have to go ahead and click on that icon. Okay, so you have to scroll down and you find this code iClass Fast Far Desktop. So you're gonna go ahead here, 24/7 service. I'm gonna say before that just a simple desktop icon. So now we got this desktop icon before 24/7, and also I'm gonna get some other icons. I'm searching for a right mark icon or a check mark icon. So I'm searching for check, and it is, yep, I got the icon. So I will select this check circle icon, go down and copy this code. So this I in the I tag in HTML means not italics. This I tag stands for icon. You know how it differs? Because it is giving a class. So this class fast far code, or you can also write far code, is something like that. So again I'm going to give another icon, something like a code symbol. So I'll search a code symbol, get it and copy it. Great, and if I refresh, I get these three. But you might notice these are like very smaller inside. So we have to fix that in a moment. So this is all CSS we are learning, by the way. Fixing the size, making the photo cover page, increasing the padding, margin. This is all CSS. Design is always CSS plus HTML. So I'm going to give a simple size. So inside my icon class, I am going to say something like my icon size. Just a simple random word. You can write anything and then go and pick it up in the style.css and increase the font size of this icon to something like 20 or 25. If it is a class, we are using dot. If it is an ID, we are using the hash mark. If it is an HTML element, we are not using anything, we are using the element name. So I'm going to say font size colon 35 or 25 pixels. I'll just say 35 pixels. If I refresh, it would be like this big. So my icon size, I have to paste this class to other three icons as well. So you can just get a flow around here. This is simple, isn't it? Yeah. And then what I'm going to say is I'm going to break the line into two different parts so I can keep some space there. See? I will keep like 2 breaks after every single icon. Even in the icon, my icon size, you can give a padding bottom or a margin bottom to break this line. Simply I'll use the break tag. Okay, so that looks cool. But let's see how we are gonna see this in the mobile view. If you want to go to the mobile view, right click, go inspect in your Chrome and go to this mobile view. Or if you're using Safari or Opera or some other browser, then you can simply reduce the width of your browser and it will be going to the mobile mode. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to give some space, my banner space. So my banner space, I will keep some space like 20 pixels for the margin. So I'll say margin bottom is at around 20 pixels. If I go ahead refresh this in the mobile view, I can get some space there. Yeah. So I'll copy the same thing to there also for here. So I get 20 pixels space after every single thing. No need of there actually, because there is nothing down there. Okay. So like, I hope that you all have understood what we have done up to now. And if you have any question, please ask it in the Q&A forum, or email me, or contact me by any means, social media or anything, and just ask any question and I am willing to provide you with an answer for that. So please ask questions. HTML is very simple. You just need to understand the reality between these. You have to put divs. When you're using Bootstrap, you definitely need to get started with containers, and then you have to definitely put the rows, and then you have to divide the row definitely into columns like 4, 4 or 4 or 3, 3 and 3. Let's see that in practical. So in this banner section, we have had a container, and then we have inside the container we have a row, and that row we have divided into 3 separate parts using ColLG4. So that's it.